Hey guys!
Today we'll be making baked mac and cheese. For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
when boiling our macaroni, we add salt and garlic powder for an extra taste.
You're gonna wanna cook your pasta until it's al dente. With our stove, it took us 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
While the macaroni boils, we'll begin to make our cheese mixture. Add your milk and heavy whipping cream to a bowl. Add your seasonings and begin to mix.
Make sure to taste as you go and add more seasoning if needed. We scrambled our eggs separately and we'll add them in now.
Let's add in our cheese, the medium cheddar, the Colby Jack, and the Velveeta cheese. We'll leave the sharp cheddar for the top layer.
Let's butter our pan.
Looks like our macaroni is ready. Your macaroni should look like this once al dente. We'll add our strained macaroni into the mixture.
Make sure to mix in the macaroni well to coat everything. Pour your macaroni into the baking pan. Add the rest of the sharp cheddar for that nice crunchy layer. Feel free to add as much cheese as you want to cover the entire top. We mostly use sharp cheddar, but feel free to use the Colby Jack or medium cheese.
We're gonna let it bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Look at that cheese.
This is our family's favorite dish for Thanksgiving and the holidays.
Let it cool for about 5 minutes and enjoy. Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!